OpenAI has launched ChatGPT Atlas, an AI-powered browser unveiled during a live stream on Tuesday. Competing with AI browsers like Jia, Neon, Comet, and Strawberry, Atlas stands out for its reach, potentially 800 million weekly ChatGPT users. The browser aims to make ChatGPT the main entry point for search and answers, not just another browsing tool. Currently Mac only, Atlas will soon arrive on Windows, iOS, and Android. Unlike rivals with invite systems, it's available to all users. The idea: type questions in the address bar and get direct AI answers instead of search links. At launch, Sam Altman called Atlas a once-in-a-decade opportunity to rethink what a browser can be. OpenAI wants to own distribution, especially after Meta blocked third-party chatbots like ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Atlas lets users reference multiple sites, includes a floating writing assistant, and will soon integrate the app SDK for in-browser app access. Atlas also leverages ChatGPT's memory feature, combining chat and browsing history for context-aware answers, like retrieving a past work document link. This deep integration gives OpenAI richer user data for better personalization. Unlike other browsers, Atlas skips features like ad blockers or VPNs. Instead, users rely on ChatGPT to summarize pages or find info. This makes the browser more of an AI workspace than a traditional web tool. OpenAI's Fiji Simo described Atlas as part of a larger vision. Over time, we see ChatGPT evolving to become the operating system for your life. The challenge ahead: convincing Chrome, Safari, and Edge users to switch. Atlas is ideal for people who already use ChatGPT instead of Google, but replacing Chrome will require shifting billions of habits. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.